4 General Electric F-101 jet engines, 30,000 pounds of thrust each. Wings in the forward position for takeoff and landing. Here we go. The B-1B Lancer was developed by Rockwell International, now Boeing Defense and Space Group. It is the U.S. Air Force's long-range strategic bomber. The B-1B has the largest internal payroll of any current bomber. The B-1B became operational back in 1986. And in July 2001, the U.S. Department of Defense announced plans to cut its B-1B inventory from 92 to 67. As a cost-saving measure. The first aircraft was withdrawn back in 2002. Following Operation Iraqi Freedom, it was decided that there should be 67 aircraft in the fleet. Remaining